This is brought to you by Myriad Entertainment Corporation. I would like to thank my team for this event, of course, with our partner organizing team, the Green Media Race Management, Ms. Jenny. Maraming salamat. Grabe, hiningal ako doon sa warm-up. Akala ko yun na yun eh, tapos na ba? Pwede matulog? Hindi, but again, thank you so much po. Maraming salamat sa pagtulong po sa Mowell Fund. It has been, I think, a year and a half in the making. Dapat last year pa kasi itong fund run natin for the 50th anniversary of Mowell Fund. But right now, ngayon siya natuloy. I think there's a reason behind that. Para mas mapaghandaan and para mas mapaganda. And speaking of which, alam ko po, nakita nyo na yung mga collaterals natin online, of course. Most especially the finisher medal. Just because po I want to give you guys a quality finisher medal, in order pa po namin siya sa China. So doon natin siya pinagawa. And then as we speak po today, so in short po, humihingi po ako ng paumanhin sa lahat po ng mga tatakbo for 16K, 10K, 5K, and 3K. On the way pa lang po yung natin, finisher medal. So if not, pag umabot siya, mabibigay po namin siya today sa inyong lahat in person or kiss na lang. Grabe naman yan, ma'am. Yan, so, but anyway, kidding aside, pag umabot po siya, nabibigay po namin siya on the day after nating tumakbo lahat, or if not, kaya po namin siyang mai-deliver within the day. Basta we'll keep you posted and we'll keep you updated po. Pero right now, humingi po ako ng pasensya. Of course, I know we're all excited for the finisher medals, pero syempre, because this is the first, actually, ito po yung my very first fun run that we've organized for Mowell Fund, of course. So, we wanted to give you quality remembrance. So, bear with us lang po with this inconvenience, pero know that the finisher medals will come your way. So, yun lang po. Maraming salamat. Ayoko na pong pahabain to dahil alam ko, takbong-takbo na tayong lahat. Are we guys ready for 16K? Parang wala pa. Guys, are we ready for 16K? Yan, let's go guys. Muli, maraming salamat po para sa pagtakbo sa pelikulang Pilipino at mabuhay po tayong lahat. Let's go guys. Let's go 16K runners. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Dapat mas malakas na energy. Thank you runners. Yes! Perfect. Excited na kayo. Maika Kimochi, Alethea Ambrosio, Matthew Uy, and Mr. Ding Dong Dantes.